Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be discussing about the top 10 most popular trading platform, starting from the easiest one to use to the most complicated one out there. If you look at my tab already, you can guess which ones I'm talking about. But I'm going to tell you about the pros and cons of each of them, why I use them and why I do not use them. This video is going to be beneficial for you if you want to master the art of trading cryptocurrency. So if you find this video interesting, I want you to leave a like on this video so that people who are interested in a similar topic or in the same topic will also see this video, and also consider subscribing to my channel so as to support me and encourage me to make weekly videos. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into our number one on the list, my favorite. I'll tell you why this is my favorite. Coinbase is by far the most populous of all the cryptocurrency that is available. They have more users using their mobile app and also using their web. You can buy all the popular cryptocurrency. In short, the top 10 cryptocurrency available, you can buy them on Coinbase, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, with other smaller coins and altcoins or smaller tokens. Furthermore, what I like about Coinbase is that you can earn interest on your USDT, something that is not available in other trading platforms. If you have USDT on Coinbase, you can earn interest from it. I am not an affiliate to them. I'm not posting any link about them, but if you're interested in them and you want to make interest from your USDT, sign up to Coinbase. So that's number one on the list. So we're going to number two on the list. Number two on the list is Gemini. I don't know how you pronounce this, but I call it Gemini. The reason why I love this one is because they are focused on security. Unlike any other cryptocurrency that are variable or vulnerable, Gemini focuses on security. If you use it once, if you are using their platform, you will know that this platform is very secured. In short, they are the only one in this list that offers FDIC protection on US deposit. They also support new cryptocurrency like Doge. So if you're interested in Doge, use Gemini because they are very secure. You stand a chance to lose your cryptocurrency if you use other platforms, but with Gemini, there's no hope of losing anyone. So that's my number two on the list. It is also easy to use too, just like Coinbase. So let's go to my number three on the list, BlockFi. BlockFi is a cryptocurrency investment platform that allows you to lend and earn interest on your holdings. So instead of selling your coins and tokens, you can also borrow against whatever you have. If for example you have 10,000 of a particular token or coin, you can borrow against what you have already. That is what I love about BlockFi. And also you can earn interest if you choose to hold. So the longer you hold, the more interest you get. For those who believe in Dogecoin, this is the platform you should use. BlockFi also sell Dogecoin too. So as soon as you've had your Dogecoin, if you buy it now and you want to hold it for a year or two, you make interest for holding it on BlockFi. I love it and I want you to use it. So let's go to number four on the list. Number four is Kraken. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I don't know, but Kraken is my number four on the list. It is one of the original crypto trading platforms that have good selection of coins. Kraken was one of the first cryptocurrency to enlist Dogecoin on their platform, and they allow margin trading. However, it is a real exchange and not easy to use as the ones I've mentioned earlier. So although they allow you to trade on Doge and other risky cryptocurrency like Shiba Inu, all those cryptocurrency, they allow you to trade them here, but they are not easy to use. So if you are new to cryptocurrency trading, you might find out that it is a little bit complicated. Now let's go to the one that I know you probably have heard from someone you know or from YouTube, which is Robinhood. I know Robinhood is not supported in all countries, but they offer free trading on their platform. They started trading with just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but they are expanding to other cryptocurrencies soon. They became even more popular when they enlisted dogecoin on their platform. Although they have limitations, but know that Robinhood is free to use. That's why I like them. Although it's not supported in my country, but if you're in a country where it is supported, you can use it. So let's go to number 6 on my list. Number 6 on my list is eToro. I don't know if that pronunciation is correct. eToro, I think it originated from the UK, England, Britain, and is also used throughout Europe. But few years ago or some months ago, I heard that it is not available for US traders, but slowly they are allowing traders from US to start to buy and sell on their platform. Right now, for new customers, you can gain bonuses if you sign up to this platform. I'm not an affiliate to them, so if you are looking for links to have their bonuses, you can check online for some bonuses from eToro. You can have up to $50, even $1,000 worth of cryptocurrency before June of this year, before June 30th of this year. So you can have those bonuses for free if you join the platform. I do not use them for some certain reasons, because they mostly favor traders from the UK, but I believe they are opening to more countries. I do not use this one. So the next on our list is Bitcoin IRA. Bitcoin IRA is a little different from all the other platforms that we have discussed. Unlike most exchanges and wallets, you basically just exchange cryptocurrency and you are subject to paying taxes on your gains. Note that you are subject to paying taxes if you are using Bitcoin IRA. I hate taxes, but you have to pay them though. So I run away from Bitcoin IRA. So if you are too good, or you're so good at crypto and making money online, and you're following my channel, and you like this video, and you're subscribed to my video, and you're making more money, you can use Bitcoin IRA. I do not like the platform, but I've heard that the mobile app is easy to use, but I'm not using this one in particular. So let's leave this one for now. Let's go to number 8 on the list, crypto.com. This is the largest growing exchange right now. I believe any new person coming into cryptocurrency for the first time must have heard of crypto.com, but it is based in Hong Kong, but they offer support to traders from the United States. Right now you can have access to 90 tokens and coins worldwide, including BINANCE and Ethereum, dogecoin and many other. The only major drawback is that it is only app based at the moment, so you can't trade on their website, which is a disadvantage, because I like using my laptop when it comes to trading, so that I can see a lot of details that won't be available on a mobile app. Number 9 on the list is Binance. I know many people will be using Binance, but you might wonder, why am I using Binance at number 9? The truth is that unlike every other trading platform, Binance is robust and difficult for new traders to use. Binance is robust, very difficult to use. So if you don't understand what you're doing on Binance, you might lose a lot of money. But this is the one I use in particular because it is robust. It offers you more details if you know what you are doing. Binance is different in every other country. Even in the US, Binance.us is the one you use. Binance.us is the US version of this platform. So everybody who is in US should use Binance.us. But since I'm not in the US, I have to use the Binance.com, which is available in other countries. Last but not the least, on our top 10 popular cryptocurrencies, ARENT. So if you are looking for an alternative to trade cryptocurrency, you can use this one. ARENT is a saving and lending platform that focuses on Bitcoin and USDC. Right now, you can earn up to 6% on your Bitcoin and up to 11% on USDT through saving and lending option on the platform. So if you want to save on the platform, you can earn up to 6%. If you want to lend on the platform, you can make up to 11% increase. So these are my top 10 cryptocurrency. Tell me which one you use in the comment section. I know majority of you guys are using Binance because I use Binance. I know most of you want to use Coinbase because it is easy to use, the simplest to use. I know some people will be using Gemini because of the crypto, the security it offers. I know majority of my friends in the US are using Robinhood. But in my next video, if possible, or in the future, I'm going to discuss the reason why I don't use Robinhood. For now, that's all for this video. If you have any question, write it down in the comment section and I'm going to give you answer to it. Do not forget to like this video so that people who are searching for questions like this will be able to find them, and also subscribe to the channel to support me and also encourage me to make more videos weekly. Bye for now.